Congratulations on clearing CFA Level 2 May 25 examinations. Great achievement. Now please recall when you cleared CFA Level 1. You were so happy and you marched on to Level 2, and now Level 2 is over and you are marching on to Level 3. I would like to congratulate your parents, your friends and family. Now, what happens typically over here is that people tend to presume after Level 2 that CFA to ho hi gaya hai. Number 2, they get very active in their own jobs and profession. Number 3, CFA Level 3 is less mathematical, it's more subjective and judgmental and applicative. All these reasons cause that the results in CFA Level 3 in India are not that great as compared to Level 2. Because Level 2 is more number crunching, people know it's tough. I think you don't fall in this particular trap. CFA Level 3 requires an applicative bent of mind. You have to practice more and more. You have to know how to write the constructor response questions. Yes, first time you have to write the answers. And when you write the answers, you can't deliver an Indian examination jahan jitna chahe utna likhe. You're not teaching the examiner. Okay, you are just indicating professionally as to what the answer should be. English is not a problem. They don't look at your English language construction skills. I have been grading CFA Level 3 papers for the last 3 attempts and it's been a tremendous successful experience. कई सारे लोग उस सिंड्रोम में फॉल करते हैं, अंगूर का खट्टे, which means CFA Level 3 क्लियर नहीं कर पाते हैं और उस केस में अपने आप को दिलासा देने के लिए they tell that CFA Level 2 काफ़ी है यार, सब तो सीख लिए इक्विटी रिसर्च वगैरह. तो in that case, why the need for CFA Level 3? There is a need because CFA Level 3 is the reason why we joined the CFA program. It takes you at the institutional fund management level. You don't think about individual equity stock. You think about the entire equity portfolio, the fixed income portfolio. You think like a global fund manager. I think that's the reason why you joined the CFA program. So take CFA Level 3 very seriously. But at the same time, CFA Level 3 with the content is so much dry. There is so much language written that sometimes you get lost. Okay, and therefore we say that you got to apply the stuff rather than just read. The classes, the lectures in CFA Level 3 are smaller as compared to Level 2 at Level 1. They got to be because people don't have time and people understand things faster. Correct? So let's join this journey of CFA Level 3. The classes are already updated. I'll be taking some live classes also in between to just interact with you all. Like I'm starting classes of capital market expectations soon. So see you in the classes. Thank you.